pro class, one race boat built for speed and engineered for dominance. But can it handle the pressure? Today, the crew puts it to the first test. Every bolt, every adjustment, every decision leads to this very moment.
First time I've seen it all cleaned up, got the X Insurance logos on it, ready to roll, man.
So what are we doing today? Going to test?
First we're going to go in, go over all the systems while it's in the water with both motors running. We'll head out, do a couple quick pulls and pop the hatches, check over everything, and then start prop testing.
The new X Insurance South boat. Leading up, we picked the boat up. We had to put new engines in, partial re-rig on it, and then go through it, tighten everything, check everything, make sure everything's ready to go. First initial test, the boat ran really well. Lost an alternator, so we're gonna swap one out real quick, and then we're gonna head back out.
Back rows, you gotta bring your old trash, your oil jugs, everything.
Boat just went really fast. I can't reveal that speed though.
Everybody
did everybody did a great job. The boat reacts so well, handles so good, feels so great in the bump out there. Headwind, tailwind, crosswind, everything. It ran perfectly. The boat just effortlessly just hauls ass.
This thing looks so much faster
than it really is.
than the
Like
MTI
y'all go,
did.
Thought he was only going to do
Dude, it
100,
looked
and all of a sudden
125 miles
you go
an hour,
100. We're like, ain't no way that's 100.
I'll take that for a first outing.
Yeah.
I've had a lot worse, I will tell that.
We all have.
I have had a lot worse first tests.